Hello and welcome to Module 4 of the Concilium Aquis Sulis course on railway signalling. This module explains key railway signalling concepts, points, signals, routes, overlaps, and route classes. Points are movable sections of rail that allow trains to be guided from one track to another. They are moved and locked in position by the signaling system. Points can operate in isolation to allow trains to follow different paths over a junction, or in pairs as crossovers, to allow trains to move between adjacent tracks, or in larger groups. The definition of a signal was originally straightforward: a mechanical or electrical item of equipment on the railway track. However, with the advent of computer-based interlockings and cab signaling, the definition became more ambiguous: a physical device that communicates movement authorities to drivers, a physical marker of the end of a movement authority, a collection of related interlocking states. Mechanical semaphore and color light signals communicate movement authorities to drivers from trackside infrastructure. They also indicated the path of those movement authorities and, to a limited extent, their lengths. In cab signaling systems, signals are no longer required to perform this role as movement authorities are presented in train driving cabs. Semaphore and color light signals that can display a stop aspect also perform another role, physically marking the end of a movement authority. In cab signaling systems, a similar role is often, though not always, performed by line-side signs. Irrespective of the technology, the term signal is also frequently used to describe states within computer-based signaling technology. For example, the start and end of routes in a track layout, the start and end of movement authorities, whether specific infrastructure needs to be locked in position because of a previously issued movement authority. A signaling route is a defined path over a track layout from one signal or virtual signal to another. Signalers or automated control systems set routes to allow trains to move from one location to another. An overlap is a section of track beyond the end of a route, overlapping a subsequent route or section of track that is reserved for trains in that route. Overlaps can serve a variety of purposes: mitigating the risk of driver misjudgment when stopping at a red signal, providing a safe overrun distance for train whose brakes have been activated automatically by a train stop when passing a red signal, enabling a comprehensive automatic train protection systems to safely supervise train speed whilst still enable trains to closely approach red signals. Main class routes are used to authorize trains to proceed at the maximum permitted speed over a specific section of track. With the exception of routes up to buffer stops, all main routes have overlaps. Warner class routes are used where an overlap of the required length for a main route cannot be provided or where it would be operationally restrictive. To mitigate the risk associated with a shorter, restricted overlap, trains are slowed down before being permitted to enter Warner routes. However, careful design is needed as this could encourage drivers to accelerate towards the short overlap at the end of the route. Calling-on class routes are used to authorize trains to enter a section of track occupied by another train, a permissive move. They have no overlap as trains entering a calling-on class route would encounter the train already in the section before reaching any overlap. Trains are only authorized to enter calling-on routes when they are nearly at a standstill. shunt class routes are used for movements of trains that are not carrying passengers and can be either non-permissive, in which case they have an overlap, or permissive, in which case they have no overlap. Shunt class routes can be used over signaled infrastructure as well as for entering depots and sidings that have no signaling. Proceed on Site Authority (POSA) class routes authorize trains to move when a failure prevents authorization being given for a normal route. As with calling on class routes, they have no overlap, and trains are only authorized to enter POSA routes when they are nearly at a standstill. In summary, points are moved and locked in position by the signaling system either individually, as pairs in crossovers, or in large groups. The term signal can refer to a physical device that communicates movement authorities to drivers, a physical marker of the end of a movement authority, or a collection of related interlocking states. A signaling route is a defined path over a track layout from one signal or virtual signal to another. An overlap is a section of track beyond the end of a route, overlapping a subsequent route or section of track that is reserved for trains in that route.